We are now feeding the cows with the napier grass, which has been transported all the way from Busanda in Western Kenya. As you can see, the cow behind me seems to be enjoying itself. Oops. Cows are really enjoying this. And at some point we've got to put some salt. We add salt, add flavor to it, and then everything will be right. These cows will be able to enjoy this. You can see the goats are also yearning for this. I don't know if they're going to enjoy. They've all stopped and they're all looking at me. Let me see. Look at this guy. Look at this cow. Wow. Look at that. They're enjoying that. So we're gonna enjoy this. So the goats, they also need the nappy grass. I don't know if they're gonna eat it, they're gonna enjoy it, but we'll see how that fares. Let's wait and see. Maybe I should give them the nappy grass, maybe not. I'm not sure about the goats as well, but the cows are really enjoying. The cows are really enjoying this. It's great. It's great. You can see our usual transport vehicle. Pretty good shape. Pretty good shape. You can see how the bull is really enjoying himself. And guys, I can tell you the weather is not good at all. It's very dry, it's very sunny. And so if you look at the vegetation, it's quite dry. It's quite dry, so unless you get this kind of napier grass from where you can get it, you feed your cows, then unless you get that, then your cows are really going to suffer. The situation is very dire. The sun has been shining for the last 1 month. Absolutely no rainfall, so it's quite dry, quite dry. It's quite dry, guys. It's quite dry. Utabadilisha hizi mbuzi? It's quite dry. I want you to see the cows, how they're enjoying this. Oh, the other one stopped eating. What's the problem with that one? Oh, it's eating now. It's feeding. This one is feeding here very beautifully. Man, I know you want something to eat. I'm gonna give you something to eat. Yeah, I know. Wow, a beautiful cow. This is beautiful now. These guys were starving. These guys were starving, really starving. But now at least they're better, much better off. They have something to eat. They have something to eat. You can see from a distance they are preparing the feed. They're preparing the feeds. Oh, it has been wonderful going all the way to Western, which is just nearby, to get all this. And now we have animals feeding quite well. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Please share, like, subscribe, and comment. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys. Thank you.